All right, welcome guys. So the third tip you are going to give about maximizing your laptop battery is making sure you use what they call power mode on Windows. So what does it look like? So if your laptop battery, you want it to last longer, especially when you are working on the go, like creating content, or maybe you're on transit and you just want to adjust some settings, or maybe on the queue, depends where you are, and you have a job to do and there is no external power supply. So one way is to adjust your Windows power mode, and they have three modes which I'll be showing you right away. You have three modes. One is actually best performance. So how do you access it? Let me go back again. So you access it by going to Windows icon, selecting settings, and also clicking on your system, then select power and battery, then you scroll down to power mode. Now over here we have three, so I'll be explaining this shortly. So we have power mode. Let's see, it's not active. So sorry, my power energy saver is on, that's why. So we'll turn it off, it's not active. There are three modes available. You have best power efficiency, you have balanced, you have best performance. Here we have the best performance, which actually has the fastest speed. It makes your computer run super fast, performs at a very high speed, but it actually drains your battery very quick. So it runs your battery very quick. While battery best power efficiency saves most of your battery and reduces its performance. So a analogy I usually like to give it is just like when they tell you to turn on your AC and turn off your AC. Turn on your AC, it drains your fuel fast. When you turn off your AC, reduce the amount of fuel that is consumed. So that is it, the best analogy to explain. While balance is actually trying to balance the both of them, is a mix of the performance and efficiency. So for content creators, students, or anyone trying to squeeze out time of your battery, try setting it to best power efficiency, which I always do. It's actually a smart move to make, and when you have done that, you're actually prioritizing your battery life and making it last longer. These are some of my pro tips I will actually give. So if you notice your laptop is running sluggish when you are editing or maybe gaming or multitasking, you can try switching from your best power efficiency to balance, so that it can actually balance the equation. Then if you are running heavy apps like you are rendering, you are streaming, always make sure that you set it to best performance, and but also remember that it's draining your battery, so that you not lose track that, oh, my battery is not going down. So it depends on what you are doing, and always carry a charger if you are editing or recording on a longer period. So these are actually some things I actually do. So with this little quick actually, if you combine these tips I told you about, this battery saver and battery efficiency, you can actually give your laptop extra 30 to 60 minutes more time of your battery life when you are doing whatever jobs you are doing. So thanks for watching. I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.